Hi there, this is a guide on how to navigate. So when you accept a trip, or even when you're on a trip, there's a blue button in the top right corner, and if you press that button, it takes you here. And this is Google Map, and gives you a direction to the pickup or drop-off location, with the red pin representing where you're going to. And if you scroll up, you see the text direction to and via the paths you're going to follow. You can close it by scrolling back down. On this very map, the blue line is the route you're following. The red part of the blue line represents where there is traffic, and the yellow part represents slow movement. You could put two fingers on the screen and spread them out apart to zoom in, and put two fingers apart and spread them in to zoom out. You can put two fingers on the screen and rotate them to rotate the screen. It's a very interactive platform. Using a finger to scroll around the screen and understand the path in which you're following. You press the blue button to get a live navigation to where you're going. It gives you the estimated time of arrival, the distance from where you are to where you're going to. Then on the top left corner, it tells you the next move you're going to take. Then below that top left, is in that direction, which is the move you're going to take after the common road. So now, as you are moving, the navigation updates live with the arrow representing you and the path you are following. As you can see, it tells us we are on Tumble Road and we are turning on Tumble Roads. We are turning off Tumble Road soon. It's also currently calculating the traffic on our route. Right now there's no traffic, but once we turn, there's a little movement, which is why it's yellow, telling us that it's moving slowly. As you can see, it updates as we move. There are many icons on this screen, and all icons have their functions. The speaker icon, which is on the right corner of the screen, below the button that looks like a magnifying glass. Once you press that, it gives you a voice navigation to the place in which you're going to. While the button below that is an adjustment button. Once you press that, it changes your view to true north. And if you press it again, it changes it to the north in which we all know. As seen in the screen, it tells us that there's a roundabout up ahead and we're turning back into the road in the opposite direction with an arrow, then identifying the path that we're going to follow. The map also provides you with alternative routes identified by gray lines. Now we are turning right according to the map. The yellow line represents slow movement on the road, and the gray route, which is a line, is an alternative route that we can follow. Now that we're following that route, it gives us directions based on that route that we are following. A red line has appeared on my route. It's telling me about the traffic that I'm about to face. So now I'm slowing down, aware of the traffic in my route. I can choose to follow a different route, but I'm going to follow this, being the fastest route to my destination. As I'm moving, the map is updating me with the time that's going to take me to get there and the distance that is left. It also gives me an estimated time of arrival. Right now, it says I should be at my destination in 10 minutes. And as we move, the time keeps dropping, meaning it's updating in real time. My estimated time of arrival has now dropped to 8 minutes. It means that I should be at my destination soon. Each time we change our route, the map automatically corrects it and reroutes us to our destination based on our current route. So if we are to turn again, it then changes the direction that it pointed us to. For example, we turn now on our left. It reroutes our direction, still leading us to the same destination. Each time this pops up, it means it's calculating the traffic that we're about to face. Now that we are approaching our drop-off location, what we have to do now is to drive in the direction of the pin, after which you contact your rider. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us at ubernigeria.com/chat.